Hi there. So recently while working with Python, I was trying to load this file and found this error, UnicodeDecodeError Charmap Codec can't decode. So here in this text loader, here I am trying to open the file and while opening file I am getting this error. So reason is that this file is encoded in UTF-8 and easy solution is to just pass encoding here and this should fix it. Now if I run, I'm not getting error anymore. Alternate solution is to, instead of doing here, I can go to this text loader and here when I try to load file, here I can do UTF-8 and save it. Now if I run main.py, then error is gone. So this was simple solution for this problem. While loading any file in Python, if you find this error, just specify type of encoding and it should fix the problem.